If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials. How to watch YouTube TV on Apple TV. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enjoy YouTube TV on your Apple TV. Follow along to get started with all your favorite shows and live TV right from the comfort of your living room. First, make sure your Apple TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the App Store from the Apple TV home screen. In the App Store, use the search function to type in YouTube TV. Once you find the YouTube TV app, click the Get button to download and install it on your Apple TV. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen and open the YouTube TV app. If this is your first time using YouTube TV, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. You can do this by entering your email and password using the on-screen keyboard. Alternatively, you may use your phone or computer by visiting youtube.com/activate. When prompted, enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV screen. This links your device to your YouTube TV account. Once signed in, you'll have full access to all YouTube TV's offerings, including live channels and on-demand content. Use your Apple TV remote to navigate through channels, search for specific shows, and add programs to your library. Remember, you can always customize your experience by setting parental controls, adjusting playback settings, or managing your subscription through your Google account. That's how easy it is to set up YouTube TV on Apple TV.